Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will dive into two fascinating fields, that is AI and generative AI. Have you heard have you ever wondered how self-driving car learn to drive, or how your Netflix recommendations are so spot on? Well, it's all thanks to artificial intelligence. But did you know there is a new wave of AI that's actually creating things like music, images, and even videos? That's generative AI, and it's changing the game. Stick around to find out what sets these two apart and why generative AI is future of creativity. We will discuss what is AI, what is generative AI, what are the key differences, how they work. So let's start with artificial intelligence or AI. AI refers to any system or machine that can mimic human intelligence. It can do things like learn from data, make decisions, and solve problems, tasks that would normally require human brains. For example, think about search engine you use daily, like Google. They don't just show you results, they rank them based on your search history, location, and preferences. That's AI in action. So, how does it work? AI uses algorithms and models to process large amounts of data and make predictions or decisions. For example, if you search for best restaurants near me, AI algorithms help help Google decide which restaurants are most likely to match your needs based on past searches and preferences. AI can be used in various fields like healthcare industry, where AI can analyze medical images and help diagnose diseases. Also in e-commerce, where AI helps recommend products based on your shopping behavior. Into generative AI, it is subset of AI that doesn't just analyze data but also creates new data. In other words, generative AI can generate content like text, images, and even videos based on patterns it has learned. For example, tools like ChatGPT can write stories, articles. Also, platforms like Dolly can generate images from text prompts. More recently, OpenAI's Sarah can create videos based on text prompts. So, how does generative AI work, right? So, generative AI uses advanced techniques like generative adversarial networks, GANs, and transformer models. Transformer models are foundation of many large language models. For example, all the GPT series, GPT-3, GPT-4, and also Google's Palm, and also Anthropic's Clad, and Meta's Llama. All these are based on transformer model. Coming to the differences, so let's break down key differences between AI and generative AI. AI is broader field focused on stimulating human intelligence for various tasks, from analyzing data to making decisions, whereas generative AI focuses specifically on creating new content. Also, AI is great for analyzing and processing existing data, like finding patterns or making predictions, whereas generative AI creates entirely new data, such as generating text, music, videos from scratch. Lastly, AI uses many different types of algorithms, while generative AI specifically uses advanced models like generative adversarial networks, GANs, or transformers to generate content. To put these into perspective, an example of AI would be a recommendation system on Netflix. It analyzes your watching history and suggests shows or movies you might like. It doesn't create new content, it helps you find what's already there. An simple example of generative AI would be applications like ChatGPT, Google Gemini. In conclusion, AI is a broad field that focuses on stimulating human intelligence, while generative AI is a specialized type of AI that focuses on generating new, realistic content. Both are incredibly powerful, but generative AI is pushing the boundaries of what computers can do by creating things we never thought possible. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit bell icon. Thank you.